In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix text-free registration failed with error 6135. So let's get started. Now, you guys might be wondering, what does this even mean? Now, this error means that text-free does not allow new registrations from your location, your IP or device was flagged, your VPN or private relay was detected, and too many attempts from the same device. Now, how can we fix these issues? Now, these are the fixes that you can try. So obviously the first one is turn off everything that hides IP. So your VPN should be turned off, your iCloud private relay should be off if you're on an iPhone, your private DNS should be turned off if you're on an Android, and then restart your phone. Then we have change network. So try mobile data and not Wi-Fi, or use a different Wi-Fi, for example a friend's Wi-Fi or a public Wi-Fi. Then we have clean reinstall. So uninstall text-free and then restart your phone and then reinstall it from the Play or App Store, and then sign up once only. Don't retry multiple times. Then we have that you should wait if you retried many times. So wait like 2 to 3 days and do not open text-free during this time. And lastly, use a fresh email. So basically use a new Gmail which has never been used with text-free before. Now, if it still fails, then this error can be fixed because text-free has region locked registrations and your device and IP is blocked. So VPN will not solve it because text-free detects VPN. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.